unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Luxely Beauty Bag. So Luxely is more of a self-care bag. There's hair care, skin care, bath and body, and there's some tools inside. You get 5 products for $26 each month. So let's go ahead and see what I was sent. I don't know if it's June or July. I haven't peeked yet. So let's see. I imagine it's for July. Luxely, happy 4th of July. Mystery boxes and bags are on sale. Go to the subscriber shop on our website and enter using the password. Now, if you need to be a subscriber to take advantage of these wonderful deals. So you can get really good quality products at a really discounted price. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this bag. So let's see what the bag looks like. Oh, how cute. This is red, white, and blue bag. Very modern pattern. And these bags feel like cotton sheets, so I like that. So here's a little peek. Let's go ahead and pull the first product. Oh, this is one of those smooth rollers. Let's see. Mini face roller. This retails for $8. Smooth metal roller that provides a cooling effect and smooth tired, puffy eyes and inflammation. This really is a tiny one. Now, I have to say that I have seen, not reports, but videos and other dermatologists saying that these really have no type of benefit. You can put these in the freezer, in the refrigerator, but even on their own, it's nice and cold. Or even right now, it's nice and cold. I mean, it feels wonderful. And it might make some of the inflammation around your eyes go down a little bit, but for the most part, dermatologists say that these are like a gimmick product. So because of that, I'm really not interested in these. But they do feel good. That did feel good. I might go ahead and just clean this up since I touched it to my face and give it away in a giveaway for one of you. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, so smash that button and then we can do a giveaway. The next item is by Nourish. It is Urgent Repair Treatment. It is by... oh, it's by Euphoria, and it is the Nourish Urgent Repair Treatment. Okay, so that is what that looks like. Let's read about this guy. Euphoria Nourish Urgent Repair Treatment. This retails for $14. Intensive protein-rich restructuring and replenishing treatment. Apply to damp hair for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse well. Okay. I'm happy to get that. You know, aging dries out your hair, and I'm always using hair masks or a spray-in leave-in conditioner to try and keep my hair nourished. So this will do the trick. So it has a little flip top. It's not sealed because product came out, but I'm going to open it so I can smell it better. Oh, it's minty. It's peppermint. So that'll be a good stimulation for your scalp as well. And it's a nice cooling effect. Okay, I'm happy to get that. Next, oh, by Euphoria Style. Again, this is called Illuminate. It is a shine mist. Oh, yes. So let's read about that. The Euphoria Illuminate Shine Spray retails for $8. It is a lightweight mist to achieve shine and add moisture. Apply to finished styles for for superior shine, or apply to towel dried hair for detangling. So it's a shine spray that happens to detangle. Well, let's go ahead and see. Get my mirror going here. Okay. Nice fine mist. Smells good. Oh yeah. Do you see that? Right here? Oh, I love it. Now I can have shine back to my hair. And let's see. The next thing is by Sexy Hair. Excuse me, I am trying to shoot a video. The next thing is by Sexy Hair. It is the Tri-Wheat Leave-In Conditioner. There we go. And this retails for $8 as well. It moisturizes and detangles. You spray on damp hair. Yeah, if you need a little extra conditioning and you don't have time for a mask or anything like that, these come in really handy. They nourish your hair throughout the day. So it looks like we are focusing on the hair. The last thing by So Susan Cosmetics, Glow Gaia Firming Neck and Decollete Glow Cream. There is that. Now let's read about this one. So this one, ooh, this retails for $52. It is a nourishing, moisture-boosting glow cream formulated especially for the thinner, more sensitive skin around your décolletage to help conceal signs of damage and fatigue. Okay, let's take a look at this. Ooh, I think there's a seal on it somewhere. Oh yeah, there's a seal. Okay, wait. Let me find it. There we go. That was easy. It does have a safety seal, but I am going to open it because I am interested in this product. Oh, it looks like it's tinted a little bit. So let's go ahead. I don't want to get out too much. I don't want a big blob. So that is what it looks like. It is tinted. And I can see that it's shimmery. Okay, so it is a tinted, it gives a slight tint. I don't know if you can, it does look a little glowy right here. Wait. All right. Let me add some more. Okay, we're going to add more, and then I'm going to compare my hands. Yeah, it definitely has a bit of a tint to it, which works for me because I've got a tan going. So here we go. See, that's what it looks like on my fingers. I can see that it is a little bit more shimmery, a little bit better looking. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can definitely tell. This probably would look good underneath a foundation to make yourself real glowy. But, you know, it is tinted. So, I don't think this would work for fair people. But, I'm happy to get it. And so, let's recap. We got the So Susan Glow Lotion. We have a Sexy Hair Leave-In Conditioner, a Euphoria Urgent Repair Treatment, Shine and Detangle Spray, and one of these cooling rollers, which I will sanitize and put in a future giveaway. Smash that subscriber button. Okay, so these are the 5 things that I got. So let's see what they add up to. So the total for today adds up to $90, and I only paid $26 for these products. So you can't go wrong with subscription boxes. You really can't. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.